Next example. It says find the following value for f of x is equal to 6. So let me just talk about a little bit about the function in whenever you see uh, f of x equaling to some number, or you're given f of negative 12. Let's go back to one of the solutions from the last example that we went over, that we covered. I want to say example B, where you had the g of negative 1 equals to 5. Well, what you're saying, this is what we would call, think of a machine here. This would be your input value, meaning we plugged into this, this was the given equation, and we plugged, substituted negative 1 in for x, and then squared it, times it by 2, then we added 3, and then we got an output value of 5. So meaning the negative 1 went in, positive 5 is what we received. That was our answer. Now we could have written this as an ordered pair, meaning our x coordinate is negative 1, our our y coordinate is positive 5. That would be how we would represent this solution on a number line. So if when we have g of x, x is going to be given, but it's going to be written inside the parenthesis. So you're plugging that value into that equation to get a solution. Now let's go to what we have, the question itself again. You have here f of x is equal to 6. So they're giving you an output value of 6. Here you're given the input. So if we substitute negative 1 in for x, our output for this question will only be 6. We can't substitute 1 in for into anything on the right hand side because it's already telling us what's the value of y. So look at the next one. Our input value is 0, but no matter what, for this particular question, our output is going to be 6. How about C? What do you think that would be? The solution. Our input value is 171, but no matter what, for this example, our output is going to be 6. So it stays the same. So basically, you're telling me if I had you to graph this line would be a horizontal line, because we can rewrite f of x. You can rewrite this as y is equal to 6. And we know that y is equal to 6 is going to be a horizontal line at 6 because it's going to be parallel to the x-axis. So here's what the line would look like. So it will look something like this. And here is 0, 6, 1, 6, 170, 1, 6, comma 6. I'm saying this as an ordered pair. So our solution for each of these will be 6.